Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your bro Kimontae. Showing on YouTube, fam. Talking about Microvision again because the last time I talked about Microvision, my audio was kind of messed up. This is what I've been telling y'all about the company that I've been trying to get people to invest in, but I'm definitely invested in it right now. I have like 20 some shares of it right now, and Microvision has just touched $5 and 10 cent or something like that. So it just broke its 52-week high, or it just broke the 52-week high twice now. It just started new records both times. So like first its 52-week high was like four something, or maybe even less than that. And then once it reached four something, it didn't go over 490 something at one point. And now it's way over 490s, and this came into the fives, y'all. So like what that means is um, I'm bullish on it. So maybe I am biased because I have invested interest in it, so I want it to go up. But if y'all don't believe in me, y'all need to believe. And I don't know, the data gonna tell you what's going on. So like without me even letting you know about Microvision, look at the data, look at the chart, look at what the company is about. You know what I'm saying? Look at the fundamentals, look at the technical analysis. You know, and you don't gotta take my word. You can just take the chart's word. The chart's word ain't gonna lie. You see the chart, I can't even show you. I have to show you right there. The chart is not gonna lie to you. The charts ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Those are the numbers right there. You feel me? So I just want to tell everybody that's invested in it, if you are, how y'all feeling right now? You know what I'm saying? Y'all probably feeling like world beaters because y'all was right and y'all invested into a company that's pretty much doing some pretty good things right now. Especially if you, it's like for me, I only invested like $40, $50, and I've been like every day throwing like $3 in there, $3 in there. But my return is like I got like 80% on my return, and I just started investing into the company last week. So it's this company is definitely doing some numbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm very high on it. I'm very bullish on it. I'm very bullish. But I definitely want, like this morning, I made a mistake where when it was going up, when it surged up, I had an option play on it because I'm investing in it long term. With like I bought shares, and I also bought an option this morning because I kind of saw it where it was going to go, and I ended up taking my money out before the end of the day. Like I ended up selling my option, and then I'm looking at it now and it's going back up, and it finally broke the $5 mark. And now I'm mad at myself because if I would just held my trade that I had this morning, man, it would have been beautiful, man. It would have been beautiful. But unfortunately, you know, the thing is, I'm not right. Like I made the right play because I secured my profits. You know what I'm saying? If I would have kept the stock, mind you, I got the stock into, I had the option play into next year, so it was no type of pressure on me whether or not like for me to like sell it. But I only sold it because of the mindset that I'm coming from. I'm trying to think of ways to secure my profit, and at the time, you know, make a little money while I'm you know holding this long term. So I don't want it to go back down. I know it ain't gonna go all the way back down, or even if it does, it's gonna come back up. But I was just thinking from a you know a greed standpoint, and that's why I was telling people this morning on my story. When you think from a greed standpoint, and you thinking like, oh wow, I just need this money, you're gonna always lose in the stock market. It's gonna eat you up. It didn't eat me up this time. But if like had I would have really been, you know, making the wrong move based on just me needing that extra cash coming in so I can flip it even more, and then you know obviously take some profits in for myself. Um, I wouldn't even have I wouldn't even have looked at the trade and took my money out. I'll probably let it ride. But that's why it's important to have other things other than just your trades, your trading money. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have other things going on because then you can start moving in the markets a little wrong based on you know your mindset and like what you're dealing with in your real everyday life. And that's why it's important to have multiple trades of income. You know, family. We gotta have more than one way of making money. You know what I'm saying? You can't make all your money from trading. I mean, you can, but it's just, you know, it's gonna be a little bit more, you know, it's gonna be more to that, you know what I'm saying? If you was having other streams of income, you won't be dependent on your trading income. So like when you do make that extra 300-400 a week or whatever it is, you're not looking at that as like, oh yeah, I'm gonna use this for bills, I'm gonna use this for that. You like, that's just, I'm gonna let that sit. And as you let that sit, it's gonna continue to build and build and build. And before you know it, your portfolio it's gonna be somewhere, you know, where you want it. You feel me? But you know, that's pretty much it. Microvision is doing some great things. If you invested into the company, let me know how you feeling right now. If you haven't invested into the company and you've been watching my videos, you know, let me know why you haven't. You know, maybe you kind of reserved, maybe you don't like to, you want to make sure it's a sure thing, you know, whatever the case may be. But you know, we out here, we making these moves. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next Microvision video, because Microvision has been like a common thread, a common theme in most of my videos. Most of my stock videos. It's like a favorite stock I got right now. But yeah, peace. It's your bro, Kimontae. See you in my next video. Yeah.